Guys, we're back with another video again. This is our side picking. Yeah, this is our side picking, guys. He's about to do the side picking. This man, he knows what he's doing. Bafo, you know what you're doing, Bafo. Aye. I trust this man because of now. He knows what he's doing and he understands what he's doing. So now he's about to do the side picking. He's about to make sure that he gets in nicely. So the poles that you need to use here, guys, it's 1 and 3. As you can see, you need to use 1 and 3. There are 6 poles here now, but usually there are 8 poles. So for now, we put on 6 so that you could see that we use 1 and 3. So he's doing the full swing now. Show posa, kulega posa, ola. Sure. Then he stopped. After he stopped, I'm gonna explain it again, guys, because I want to do another video when whilst I'm inside, so that you can see how he controls everything, guys, and how he looks, everything that he's doing outside. So here, guys, this video, okay, I'm just making it, guys, in order for you to see a little bit. Stop. Okay, so as much as you can see, guys, he crashed and we need to fix it. So before mistake that we did here, mistake which we didn't look at the side and we didn't turn. And so the more intermediate puti ukuthi mele wenze show ukuthi mawuqala kule side leli ubona ngathi uzoshayisa ngapha, mele ubalekele ku left. And the mobile left abaleka kakhulu, abaleka nje ngaf swing or quarter swing. Wenzela ukuthi mawubuya obuye kahle ngesikhathi masoyibona sehamba straight. Yabo. So kwamanje siqale phansi silungise futhi ungawari se driving school. We at the driving school and we allowed guys to make mistakes in order for us to learn better. So what he did, he's about to redo it so that he sees what he's done. Thank you, Bafu. Okay, about to fix the pole here. This is a side picking, guys. Oh, by the way, this is Nice Matondo's channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe. Nice. He's about to do the side picking again. So let me get inside, guys, and let me show you how he does everything when he's inside. Okay. We are here, guys. About to show you demonstrations on inside what he's doing so that you could see how we do it. Then he's looking at his poles, and when they intertwine, he's about to do the full swing on the right. Then he's looking at the mirror, then he's about to hit the full clutch, and then when it's straight, it's the full clutch, then brake, same time. Nice. Don't worry, guys, on how you stop, as long as, guys, you make sure that your car is straight. So now you do the steering wheel method, you lock, then 1, then 2, then your half. You make sure, guys, that you make it a point that you do your 2.5 method so that you ensure that your tires are straight. And then you use your brake so that you control your car. Come this way, Zagim. Nice. Then you put straight, bigger straight, muscle straight. Nice. Full clutch, then you brake. Excellent. Buff. 100. CP in the foot to the belly. Best again. Straight dealer. 100. Good job. Nice. So make sure, guys, when you control your car, guys, you make it a point that when you crash on your right, you turn to your left nicely, not too much. You turn just smoothly so that your car, you put your tires straight. So, guys, this is our side picking. Yale put kancane yale. Then boya. Then buyisela best bigger straight, stop. Away. Nice. Okay. He's going to redo the side picking, guys, so make sure that you see thoroughly what he's doing. And next time, guys, I'll make it a point that I make good videos for you guys so that you can see how we do everything here at the grounds, guys. So he's about to redo the video. Bafo, indicate. Guys, don't forget to indicate when you're about to turn, because now you need to ensure and make sure that the person that's following you, he knows where you're going. Then he's doing the full swing when he sees the pole intertwining, and then he's looking at his mirror. Then the first thing you do, full clutch, and then you go back a bit. Make sure that you stop when you see your poles straight, side by side, and then you do 2.5. And then he's about to do the 2.5 method, just to put his tires straight. After he's done the method, he's going to go straight without turning too much on both sides. But he needs to make sure that he looks both sides so that he sees where he's going. Good. As much as you can see, guys, he's getting in straight. Stop. Perfect. That's how we do it, guys. The poles that you look at, it's 1 in 3. 1 in 3. You make sure that you do your full swing when you see your 1 in 3 intertwining or become parallel. So make sure, guys, that you do everything nicely. This is Nice Matondo on Nice Matondo channel. Stay tuned, guys, for more videos. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, stay tuned.